Let's take a look at this Pen Multitool. This costs around 120 rupees or $2 or so. Comes in quite a few bright colors. You get a keyring. These are some of the features of this. You get a flashlight. You get a pen in the middle. It's a tiny pen and a stylus, and you get 2 bits of screwdriver which you can take out and use, or you can put them in the middle and use it with the handle. This is the another bit. You can use them like this too. Has nice grip. The cap closes quite securely. It's quite secure, no chance of falling. I don't think you can replace the batteries of the flashlight. Very compact and packs quite a few tools. Quite nice. Check it out.